Okay, so after probably 1.5 hours, I guess, so I've actually had up the motor, pulled that all apart, and it's all good. So the camshaft wasn't bent at all. It's actually in really good condition, so happy about that. Okay, then go with the body. Also notice there's a cut up in the wing, so I'll have to repair that. And so cleaned out the body. So notice there's a crack up here, so which I'll have to glue that back. And also down here, so I'll have to glue that in. So I had two thoughts of actually putting so this is the badly damaged side, so it's got that crack there, those two bad ones there. So I was thinking about actually putting plywood on the outside, which then I could use all the notches in there to line everything in again, or put panels on the inside, but then I would have to actually cut the pieces down to fit inside. So I've put them on the outside, then I'll have to cover. So I think I'll just, to keep the covering's not too bad. So to keep that on the tape, what I'll do is I'll actually put the 2-ply panels inside and actually then cut all those bits down. Won't take very long. Okay, so job tonight is to just put some araldite on these two, and I'll clamp it together. On the motor, there's all the bits there, and so I'm just doing, so it's actually all working. So fine. I'm just going to do I won't have 2 hands free, I'm just going to do a stress test of this servo and see if any gears are missing. If it's sus, then I'll take it apart and have a look and see what the damage inside is, but I think it'd be fine. Okay. I'll show you the next stage. Looking a bit closer, I was able to use some of the parts as is. So I've got the servo end box and also the wing. So obviously when this pulled out, because this was all cracked down here, so obviously it just popped out there, which means, yeah, it fitted straight back in. So it's all gluing now. Might have to wipe some of this excess glue away. But yeah, that's good. I tested the servo, they seem fine. Put them under stress load and they were fine, and no grate or anything. No problem at all. And I forgot to mention, this lead is the one that was wrapped around the servo bracket, attached to the wing, which got stretched out. So that's to the bin. Okay. Because yeah, you don't want ailerons to fail. Okay, this is the top cover. What it had, one side was broken, and the other side had this side this had come off. This had broken. All I did is just put a bit of pressure to put that closer together, then put some super glue on that, and then I put this one back in place and super glued that. That's all. It's all done. With this is the hatch cover screw. This came out, so I'll just put some araldite. I'll turn that right. Okay, with this, so I glued this all in place, so that's good. What I've here is I'm doing on this side. What I'm going to do is put araldite, 5-minute clear, on here, both sides, and then I'll actually clamp it up like this, a bit of glad wrap, and I'll compress it down. I just want to put some more strength in it because it's a bit weak both sides, before I do the paneling. So I've actually done this. Let's have a look, see how. What I'm doing is just repairing bits. So there's one hand. See how it turned out. Okay. working out quite well. That's all iodide, that's all dry there and dry there. Okay, so I'll do that same on this side. There's a bit of glue here. I'll cut back, it's still a bit soft, so I'll do that now. Yeah, so once I do that, then I'll sand in here, getting ready to put the panels. And also up here, one of the, what do you call it? Not a brace, but an internal brace, I suppose. It goes in here. It was sort of, it wasn't broken in half, but it had, the crack was almost broken. So what I did is, on here again. So, but I'll get, this was CA glue medium. Put some Glad wrap down. I'll stick the Glad wrap. And what I did, so I actually put the glue on both sides. So I just put the glue on down, put it here, put the Glad wrap over, put the board on, press it down, and I'll do that. So there it is. That's, yeah, that's quite strong enough. That's good. It's done. So let's fix that part, nice and flat. Yeah, nice and flat. But what I had thought, what I was going to do, so it's done. But what I had a thought, so I was actually going to clean in here, panel that in, because these notches wouldn't be available. I was just going to cut the notches off each side, and then actually put it in. But what I might do is actually, I'll get the panels and I'll measure them down to the side they fit, and I'll cut them out, and then I'll actually put the notches in for all these, for all the different parts to go in, and then I'll get the two sides, then I'll get these parts, and then I'll assemble it separately, glue it together, get it nice and straight, and then I'll slot in here and glue it in. We'll see how it goes anyway. That's an idea. But yeah, still a bit of work to go, but I shall continue. So the plan is to actually put some panels on the inside, take them out, then put the pieces together, then actually stick like a component and plug it back in. So to do the panels, I actually put a bit of cardboard on here, traced it out, and I've got this. That fits in there, like there. So both the same on either side. Then I've put that's the bit of ply, so I've marked that on that side and on that side, and now I'm just going to cut it with my new saw. I'll see how it goes. cut the two pieces out roughly, then with the two straight edges I tape the side, and I just cut them so they're nice and smooth. Because what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark out where the firewall goes, and then the internal brace. So it goes up there. Okay. So then I'm just, for these holes here, I'm just going to drill the holes here, drill there, right through, and the other side, and then so a couple of holes go here as well. I'm doing that because then everything will be square. So I did the side walls, put all the grooves in it, to actually put it all together. So I actually put it together last night. So it's actually ready to be pulled apart. So remember so I said I'd actually do it in this modular design. I actually get this front part, that's where the engine goes, and the firewall, and then I'll slot it in the plane. So I won't unpack it now, see how it turned up, and then I'll actually do a test fit in the plane and see how it turned out. As I was doing before, I ran out of memory on the phone, so I actually had to stop videoing. So what I did is when I cut these side panels off, I put these notches in. I actually just use so they're about 3" wide, so I just used a 3" drill and drilled them in, and then filed them to actually suit. So I use Glad wrap, which is good, so it actually doesn't stick to anything. So it overlaps. It does need sandbag. I'll get my little hand sand and sand that flat. That's actually got to go in the plane. But I'll just do a quick test fit now and see if it worked. Do this. Okay, just put it on. Let's see that. Yep. Okay, let's see how it goes. So this is 2.5mm, so there's going to be a 5mm difference from the. So it's actually, this is going to spread out a bit, and then it'll come back in. So really, if I do like a Volkswagen type, so it goes. What I do is there's in a bit. There you go. So this part I'll do tonight. I should put some Aerodite in there to glue that down, to flatten that before I glue here. Okay, so the only thing is that this part here is not. Oh, it's probably because I've got to file all this glue off once I get that down, and it'll clip back in. So yeah, it's fitting quite nice. On that side, that'll fit there. Yeah, there we go. Done. So next stage. So next thing I'll do, fine. So on here I've actually got to do the eraldite. And what I've done, going to do for that, with this sanding boards, which I've covered in cling wrap. And what I'll do is I'll put the eraldite. So I'll actually put all eraldite in here on both sides, inside, and then I'll put a block here, and a block here, and I'll clamp it together. And then same with this one. Again, not too much glue, not look squirt everywhere. So again, then clamp those two together, nice and flat. And then with this one, I'll actually get the hand sander, like I said, sand all that down, and then I'll actually get the hand sander in here, and sand all that down on that side, and then it's ready to fit.